Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aswa and I am so excited to have you guys here. Today I am packing for my friend Darian's bachelorette party. So I thought I would show you guys how I usually plan and prepare to take a trip and my whole packing process. The first thing I always do is create a packing list. I have it right here on my computer in my little notes page, just so it syncs with my phone. So if I think of something when I'm out, I'll just type it up on the list. I have it broken down by first off listing the trip details, where I'm going, the dates, the weather. Then I'll type out what outfit I'm wearing there. And then I'll list clothing, shoes and accessories, toiletries and personal care, electronics, documents and essentials, any bags, miscellaneous, medications, and then note/specific trip items. And then within the clothing area, I break it down by tops, bottoms, dresses/special outfits, outerwear, sleepwear, undergarments, and activewear/swimwear. If you guys would like a template for the packing list, I will have it linked down below. After I've created my packing list, I'll decide which bag I want to take for my trip. This time I'm going to be taking this bag right here. It is by HQ Sports and Travel. I picked it up when I was in Thailand, but I really like this bag because it's super spacious on the inside. There's a lot of different compartments for me to organize and everything. And my favorite part about the bag is that I can use it as a backpack, but there's two different openings. There's an opening on the top if I just want to put everything in like a normal backpack, or I can open it up on the back side, and it's basically like a duffel bag. So it's really easy to pack everything in here and visualize everything. After I decide which bag I'm going to use, I'll go grab all the clothing I'm going to be taking with me and bring it out here and pack that into the bag first. And then I'll grab toiletries and everything else and go from there. And then my cat decided he's also coming on the trip, so he climbed into my bag. Okay, so I have my bag right here and all my clothes are right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I will usually start by putting my pair of shoes at the very bottom. I am wearing my bulkier shoes on the drive there. So I just packed up my sneakers into a little shopping bag, and I'm just gonna put them right here at the very bottom of the bag. Next, I'm just gonna start by folding up my clothes. Some I might roll, some I might fold. We shall see. Usually on a bigger trip, I would take packing cubes with me, but again, this is only a 3-day trip, so I don't need to do all that. Okay, so I just finished putting almost all my clothes into this bag. However, I have no room left in here for toiletries or anything else. I think I underestimated how much stuff I have to take. So I'm gonna go grab a bigger bag and repack with that. So I shall be right back. I'm back. All right, now we're gonna retry this with the bigger bag. This time, I'm going to put my bulkier items at the bottom and see if that helps. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know how I packed for 3 weeks in Europe in just a carry-on, but I can't get 2 days worth of clothes into just my carry-on. I have no idea what's going on, and I'm not taking a whole big suitcase for 2 days. So I'm gonna have to figure this out. Give me 1 second. Okay, so after a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, I was able to figure out how to pack pretty much everything. So I did pull out my packing cubes and packed most of my stuff into that. And then 2 bulkier items I just kept out. I don't have my toiletries packed yet or anything else, but if I can't make them fit into this bag, I've decided I'm just gonna take a backpack too. It's really not that big of a deal if I have to take 2 bags. Okay, so now we've transitioned into my bathroom so I can pack toiletries. I always pack my toiletries in this Bag Smart bag that I got off Amazon. It's linked in my storefront. And then I'll just put all my skincare in here, and pretty much everything that I can fit toiletry-wise will go in here. So now all my toiletries are packed in here. So I have my toothbrush, my skincare, my contacts, things like that are all in here. And then I'll usually pack my makeup and any remaining toiletries into this little pouch I got for Christmas a few years ago, but it holds everything I need, so I'll just put them in here. Okay, so now that I have both of these packed, we'll see if I can get them to fit in my suitcase. If not, they'll just go in the backpack. So you guys are never gonna believe this, but I switched bags one more time. So now I'm back to the original bag that I had planned. But basically, it's just the way that things were fitting in the suitcase were not the way that I wanted them to fit. So I switched back to this. I think I'm gonna be able to make it work better with this. So now I have all the clothes that I had wanted in here. Throwing the shoes in here real quick as like a little divider, I guess. And then my toiletry bag. And then my makeup bag, it will also just fit right in here. And then that leaves me with room for some of the other things I still need to pack. So I need to take like my body wash, which I didn't grab, and my glasses, my hair straightener. Literally it's just like small things, medications. I'll be able to fit all of those still in here. So I'm very excited that I finally figured that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack those up into like a Ziploc or something real quick, and I'll be right back. I was able to fit everything into my big bag. So now all that I have left is I'm just gonna pack my like everyday use stuff like medications, my wallet, my Kindle phone charger, things like that into my backpack, along with this packing cube that I have that has my like ski coat thing. I don't know. I have warm clothes in here because we're going snow tubing tomorrow and I hate the cold, but I'm really excited to go. So all my snow tubing clothes are in here. They're gonna go in my backpack along with my everyday stuff. Okay, I have gotten the last of my things, so I'm actually packing those now. I have my Kindle. I'm putting it in the laptop sleeve of my bag, and then I'm going to zip that up. And then I'm just packing my phone charger and medications in the front zipper pocket so they're easy for me to access. And that is it for the video. So I have my backpack, my bigger backpack, and then my purse. Can't believe I thought I was gonna get all this in one bag for the weekend, but I think it's just because it's all bulky winter clothes that I really struggled, and also because there's not really a set itinerary, so I have no idea what we're gonna be doing, so I had to pack for like literally every possible situation. So I have everything packed. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Hopefully the next packing video will not be as hectic as this one, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you, bye.